Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and before you go grab those chips and cookies, let me show you how to make a quick, healthy, and delicious snack. Let's get started with a mini seedless cucumber. These are great for snacking, and you usually buy them in a bag. I like to cut off just a little piece of the ends here. Now you want to cut it in half. We're going to want to scoop out a little bit of the guts inside. By the way, you can also do this with just regular cucumbers. You're going to need some Philadelphia cream cheese, but make sure you get the whipped. This one, to me, tastes so much better, and it's also easier to spread. We're going to go ahead and fill in our cucumbers with our cream cheese. You're also going to need some everything bagel. This one is everything bagel and bacon. Now, you don't have to have this one specifically if you're really trying to watch your diet, but I really love this one. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some on top. I also like to add this fancy light chili powder. It's really not hot. It just adds a little bit extra flavor to it. We're not done, so make sure you keep watching. We're going to build ourselves a little snack plate. I'm going to add these to my plate, but let me show you real quick what they look like so far. I'm going to grab some broccoli florets. Here I've got a large one, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. And you always want to cut from the bottom, that way it doesn't make a huge mess. Let's go ahead and add these on top. I like celery, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to my plate. Now, if you want to substitute it with something else, you definitely can. Let's go in with a couple of carrot sticks. I'm going to add a couple of snap peas on each side. Let's add a couple cherry tomatoes. This will also add a little bit of color in there. I like to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, I probably should have waited until the end, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and add a little bit now. And you also don't have to add it if you don't want. I like to add a little bit of ranch dressing on each side. Now, you can skip this as well. Let's squeeze a little bit of lemon because we're a little extra. Now, doesn't this look delicious? I promise you, it tastes so good. Yum! I've got a bad habit of drinking soda, so I'm really trying to cut back. Here, I've got some ice water. I squeezed a little bit of lemon, and then I added some Sweet and Low, trying to prevent sugar, but this one will work great. 0 calories, and you can just garnish it with a slice of lemon. Now, let's go have this snack. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. If you like videos like this, be sure and follow me. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.